part and the tool wouldn't need to touch. They would only need to get close enough for a spark to jump from one to the other. And every time a spark jumps, it erodes the surface of the part slightly. For the purposes of EDM, though, you don't allow the spark to travel through air. Instead, you surround the part and the tool with an insulating liquid. The liquid has well-controlled properties, so it breaks down at predictable voltages and distances. It's also a better heat sink than air, keeping the bulk of the part cool to prevent expansion. Why doesn't an electrical spark erode a contact point, though? Well, interestingly, we don't know for sure. One possible explanation is heat. When there's a spark, a huge amount of electrical energy is converted into heat energy in a very short period of time. So the metal gets very hot very briefly, and some of those metal atoms will vaporize away from the surface. So if you want to etch away at something, this is the tool for you. But if you want to slice through something, you need a different tool. That's where wire EDM comes in. This is one of Traveling Wire's wire EDM machines. Check out the link to Traveling Wire in the description for all your wire EDM needs. You're not paying me to say that. So we want to cut out a little bit of this sheet of metal here. There's already a hole in the middle, so we can feed the wire through there. This jet of water helps to guide the wire as it's being fed in, and once it's through the hole, some machinery underneath grabs it. The whole thing is then submerged in water. Actually, water is only a good insulating liquid if it's free of ions. So this water is deionized. There's a machine around the back that takes tap water and this special resin. It does something with it and pumps out deionized water. Unfortunately, once the sides of the tank are up and the thing's filled with water, you really can't see what's going on. Not that it matters when you've got a brilliant cheese analogy. One big difference between the cheese wire and the EDM wire is that the EDM wire is constantly moving. These pulleys are constantly turning, and if we go around the back, you can see it's being chopped up and spat out. That's because the wire itself erodes as well as the part you're machining. This spool